A black sunburst metal gate stands between white pillars with sleek wall lights. Overhead strings of lights glow, while lush potted plants and green grass line the elegant fence. This landscaped garden features a stone path bordered by a wooden fence and a green lawn. Small outdoor lights illuminate the walkway, highlighting the potted plants and trees. Vibrant orange and blue bird of paradise flowers bloom along a white fence and black gate. A paved walkway stretches past the rows of flowers under the bright, clear daytime sky. A black double door with matching handles is framed by wooden slat fences and wall lights. Large green monstera plants in planters sit on the clean, light-colored paved ground. House 148 features a warm wooden door and a white fence with hanging flowers. Wall lights illuminate the stone path and trimmed lawn, creating a truly inviting modern entrance. A white wooden fence with various green planters sits beside a slatted wooden door. A paved walkway and neat grass are lit by a single wall fixture, perfect for a modern home. Two large monstera plants in concrete planters rest by a wooden fence and metal gate. Integrated lighting along the fence top illuminates the patio with a soft, natural glow. String lights glow above a wooden fence in this cozy backyard. A stone path winds past ferns and potted plants toward a black metal gate as the evening sky begins to settle. This wooden fence with vertical slats and metal posts is flanked by large leafy plants. Warm top edge lighting shines on the concrete ground and a dark door in the background. A stone path leads to an ornate metal gate surrounded by colorful blooms. Warm golden lighting highlights the flower beds and stone walls, creating a magical evening garden. Stone pillars with integrated lights flank a black metal gate at this luxury home. Palm trees and shrubs are bathed in soft dusk light, highlighting the modern architecture. Square stone slabs form a path lined with various potted plants and a wooden fence. Stake lights cast a warm glow on the gravel and grass, making for a pleasant garden walk. A gravel path with stepping stones runs along a wooden fence in this peaceful yard. Potted plants and a neatly trimmed lawn create a beautifully organized outdoor living area. A black gate with white slats opens to a tiled walkway with orange flower beds. The well-maintained landscape leads toward a bright house, reflecting a clean, modern style. A modern metal gate sits between wall lights at the end of a stone pathway. Ornamental grasses line the wooden fence, creating a clean, natural, and well-maintained entrance.